Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robin Zimmerman. We are at the Bayshore in a beautiful apartment that we're going to talk about in just a moment with Melissa Hallbeck, who's the Director of Sales and Marketing, and Kim Perna, who is Community Relations Counselor. So good to see you, ladies.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Good to see you.
All right, so this apartment is absolutely spectacular. It's freshly painted and it's big. And
I don't think we've been in an apartment. We've been in the villas a lot, but yes, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Yes.
All right.
This is the Defusky.
The Defusky. Okay, and then this one has a beautiful view of the water, of the sound. So we're going to kind of walk and talk and hear a little bit more about every room. So let's begin in this particular room. This, I'm assuming, is the living room, dining room area.
This would be living room, dining room, open concept with the kitchen here. So, yep, you've got this. And we've talked, as we did in the villas, but all of the appliances come with all of our apartments, so that makes it easier. And we'll see that with washer and dryer. We did the quartz countertop here, so they carry that Lowcountry theme throughout. So again, very open and light and very attractive, as you can see.
And the nice thing about renting is if something breaks, you
don't
have to get a new dishwasher.
You call us.
You call
us. Yeah.
So I like the open concept, and I love the appliances and the stainless steel look great. And they're 2 bedrooms. So one is master, or I guess it's called owner suite or whatever now, the primary.
Primary,
right.
Yep. And you have that in a bathroom and your closet. And then you do have a second, which a lot of people turn into like offices or dens. You know, sometimes the second bedroom, but yeah, very good space too.
And so are there 2 full bathrooms? 2 full, one with a tub? And
no, this one, so you're thinking that the villas have the bathtub and the showers. With the apartments, we did the walk-in showers.
Okay, for both of them.
For both, yeah. So you do have that. Great. And we happen to be in one, we have other size apartments as well.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is a Defusky, so this is a 2-bedroom. So then you have also a 1-bedroom?
We have a 1-bedroom. We have 3 sizes of 1-bedrooms. And technically then there's also the Beaufort, which has a den as well. Okay. So yeah, variety of sizes. Because we have 126 apartments. So it's a large property.
And so what do you think the beauty of this is, Kim, as far as, someone that might be interested in an apartment as opposed to maybe a villa across the street? What do you think?
Well, we're located right on the intercoastal. That's probably one of the main things, right?
Yes.
We have a lot of amenities that are right here housed within this building, the gym, movie theater, libraries, art studio. So you don't have to go outside of the building to get involved with any activities over here. And as you mentioned before, it's basically, everything is taken care of. So if you have an issue, you just pick up the phone and call us. You don't have to, even to change a light bulb, that's something that we take care of for you.
And actually with this apartment, you have a beautiful deck out here.
This one has 2. So this has a terrace and a balcony. So
okay.
we'll take a peek at that.
Yes.
But that is, I mean, the view from this one really gets a lot of good light as well. But that's a unique, another good thing, because it is a newer community. We do have good light. It's definitely not dark in any of our apartments. So that is very important. I think we hear that a lot. Love the fact that it's open concepts even with our apartments and
tall
so forth.
ceilings too. That makes a big difference.
I noticed the tall ceilings. And you can actually paint it yourself too. You could add different colors and whatever, even though you are renting.
Yep, you can do
I'm
that.
sure there's certain...
Yeah, there's certain ones, but I mean, people do. In fact, that's the plan for this apartment, to have some changes.
Right. I love the floors.
Yes, the floor is gorgeous. That's a Mohawk product. Very durable, very good as far as slip resistant and things like that, and looks good and works in these apartments.
And this one is is this the 2nd floor?
This is the third floor.
And so is this the top? Or
no,
is there,
5.
There are 5 floors. Okay, very good.
Yep.
Well, again, here we are at the Bayshore on Hilton Head Island in one of the beautiful apartments. So thank you, ladies, Melissa and Kim.
Thank you.